Welcome back. At least as of now, we've defended the lower levels both on the Nifty and the Nifty Bank. Thank God for small mercies, it seems, because the 200 DME at least has got protected. But Nimesh, he's got a proper insight into what he's picking up on the straight. Nimesh, what a day. You know, from the word go itself, there was selling. And as we speak, we're at the low point of the day. What's the feedback?
Well, absolutely, Nigel. Today is a brutal day as far as the broader markets are concerned. The index is down 2.5%, but there are a lot of individual names which are down 10, 12, 15, 20% as well. So clearly there is capitulation, so to speak, in the broader market stocks today. And you spoke about, the crucial technical levels, right? Yesterday also we discussed about 23,800 as an important level. And the moment that got broken on the downside, we saw a big selling across the board, and that's playing out in the broader markets today. From an institutional activity point of view, Nigel, the feedback is there isn't a very large FI selling, but it's also the fact that the domestic support seems to be much lesser in today's market. And what's more important is the sentiment is clearly, been very weak now among the retail and HNI investors, because of late none of them are making money either in trading or in the investment portfolio as well. So that's the overall feedback. But again, from a technical point of view, Nigel, while everyone is looking at 23,800 as an important level, on a closing basis, the feedback is if the Nifty is below 23,780, which probably we are right now, there could be further selling in the broader market stock. So that's something to track over the next couple of days. Having said that, the PCR looks a little oversold, close to that 0.7, and normally we've seen around 0.6, 0.7. Market tends to bounce back. We have a truncated week this week. Also next week we have a midweek holiday. So the activity could be on the lower side, but a pullback, a pullback from an extremely oversold levels is not ruled out. But clearly the sentiment has changed. And now, the feedback is maybe from a retail and HNI point of view, any pullback will be looked to sold into. So you might see a bit of a pullback next week because we're extremely oversold. But again, that may get sold into. But from an institutional active point of view, well, the Nifty, Bank Nifty, every indices are looking so oversold. But there is no large selling is what I understand from larger FIs today.
Got that point, Nimesh Shah. Let's see how this goes. By the way, thank you very much, Nimesh, for the update. We did break intraday.